Bangkok can be a bit of a whirlwind, isn't it? But today, I'm slowing things down. I'm taking you with me into one of the city's most fascinating hidden corners, Talat Noi. It's a neighborhood that feels like time has been stitched together here, centuries of history living side by side with the present. Let's go explore. Talat Noi means small market in Thai, and it sits right by the Chao Phraya River. This is one of Bangkok's oldest neighborhoods, where Portuguese settlers, Chinese immigrants, and Thai locals came together to create something really special. And you can feel that history everywhere, in the shrines, the shophouses, even in the smell of incense and engine oil mixed together in the air. First stop, the Chow Sue Kong Shrine. This is one of the oldest Chinese shrines in Bangkok, dating back to 1804. It honors Chow Sue Kong, a legendary monk known for his healing powers. Inside, locals come to light incense, offer prayers, and seek blessings. If you come during the Vegetarian Festival or the Hungry Ghost Festival, this place is alive with Chinese opera performances and celebrations. It's like stepping into living history. Now this is Talat Noi's most Instagram famous residence, the turtle car. What used to be a Fiat 500 was abandoned here decades ago. It's rusted, overgrown, and oddly beautiful. Kind of like Talat Noi itself. Imperfect but absolutely fascinating. Next, we're stepping back to the late 1700s at the Seoul Heng Tai Mansion. This stunning teak and brick home was built by a wealthy Hokkien merchant, one of the few examples of traditional Chinese courtyard architecture left in Bangkok. It's still owned by the same family after 8 generations. For 50 baht, you can wander around its creaky wooden hallways and peaceful courtyard. It's faded in parts, but that's what makes it so special. For over 70 years, Talat Noi has been Bangkok's go-to place for second-hand car parts. Walking through here is an experience. Piles of greasy engines, men welding right on the roadside, and red lanterns swaying above it all. It's gritty, it's chaotic, but it's unforgettable. And hey, if you're hungry, this is also where you'll find one of the city's best fishball noodle stalls. I covered that in another video. One of the most surprising things about Talat Noi is the street art. Chao Rong Kueak Alley is like an open-air gallery. Colorful murals of Chinese dragons, local life, and abstract characters painted across these old walls. If you need a coffee break, Mother Roaster Cafe is right here. Grab a drink, sit back, and take it all in. Heading towards the river now, we've reached the Rong Kueak Shrine. Built over a century ago by Hakka merchants, is dedicated to Han Wang Gong, a figure from China's Han Dynasty. The name, Rong Kueak, actually means shoe workshop, a nod to the shoemakers who once worked nearby. Inside, you'll see locals burning gold and silver joss paper an old tradition for seeking blessings from the gods and their ancestors. This elegant building here is the Marine Department, a Beaux Arts beauty that's been overseeing Thailand's waterways for over a century. It's still a government office, but surprisingly, you can walk onto the pier. Take a moment here. The view of the Chao Phraya River is one of the best in the neighborhood. Next door is another piece of Bangkok's history, the very first bank in Thailand, the Siam Commercial Bank, dating back to 1904. Step inside and it feels like a time capsule. Patterned tiles, brass railings and antique wooden counters. It's like doing your banking in another century. And now for something completely different. The Holy Rosary Church, built by Portuguese settlers in 1897. This is Bangkok's first Catholic church. The neo-Gothic spires, the golden arches, the stunning stained glass windows, it feels like you've been transported to Europe, right here by the Chao Phraya. And finally, let's cool off at River City, Bangkok. I know. Another mall? But hear me out. This one's different. It's small, curated, and full of art galleries and boutique shops. Check out Morita Japan Arts for something unique. Or browse the gallery shop for souvenirs that don't scream tourist. Grab a coffee, take a breather, you've earned it. And that's Talat Noi, a neighborhood where the past isn't just remembered, it's still alive. From shrines and mansions to street art and car parts markets, this walk gives you a Bangkok experience you won't find in the guidebooks. If you love exploring cities with layers, this is the Bangkok you've been looking for.